Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert multiple images in a table in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show insert multiple images in table. Now firstly, insert from table. Now going to the insert one option, then click. Now click for table option. Now select from row and columns. Now you can see insert from table. Now resize your table. Now move from table. Now going to the design one option, then click for border option. Now click for all border. Now you can see insert multiple images. Now going to the again insert one option, then click. Now click for insert option. Now select from multiple images. Now click for insert option. Now you can see and you show the multiple image. Now move the multiple image. Now move from in columns, row and columns in the table for insert. Now you can see insert multiple images in table in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for all.